guys, I'm Michelle. So today I'm going to show you how I made this gorgeous mirror nightstand. I made it using items from Michael's, Walmart, and Amazon. I was also inspired by another YouTuber. I will link her information down below. I did add my own little twist to it just to make it fit my needs more for a nightstand. So just continue to watch to see how I created this mirror nightstand. Okay, so what we're going to need is painter's tape, E6000 glue, 10 corner braces, and 4 utility hinges. And I picked all of those up from Walmart. I went to Michael's and I grabbed 4 20 by 13 mirrors. The measurement is actually 20 by 12, but it says 20 by 13, and 3 12 by 12 mirrors. I also ordered these crystal knobs from Amazon. They were 10 in a pack, and I'm going to use all 10 of those. So now I'm just separating them by 2 because these are going to be used as the legs of the nightstand, and putting the knob to the side is going to be used as the actual knob. So now I'm just going to go ahead and glue those together. Be sure to do this first because when I made this the first time, I did this step last, and it took forever for it to dry, and I was trying to stand it up and it was a total disaster. So please be sure to do this first so it'll have plenty of time to dry. Alright, so now I'm just going to wipe off the excess glue and put a book on top just to weigh it down and to make sure it's leveled. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and peel the stickers off of the mirror. It may be some type of residue, so you're going to have to get that off as well. And now I have the 20 by 13 mirror and the 12 by 12, and I'm just going to tape those two together. So I'm just going to lift it up while bringing the 12 by 12 mirror in. Alright, so I'm going to grab one of those corner braces, and I'm going to glue both of those mirrors together with the corner braces and make sure to glue between the mirrors as well. So now I'm just going to measure halfway between, and I know I'm using one of my old eyebrow pencils. Don't judge me, I know it's ghetto, but hey, it worked. So now I'm just going to just glue that corner bracket there, and now I'm going to add a 12 by 12 mirror. And this is going to be the bottom of the nightstand, so make sure that mirror is facing in. And also glue that corner brace as well. Alright, so now I'm going to let this dry for about 30 minutes before moving to the next step. Alright, so now I'm going to add glue to that middle corner brace. And I'm going to add the 12 by 12 mirror. And I'm going to add corner braces at the back of the nightstand just to make sure the shelf has enough security. So it should be corner braces on each side of the mirror at the back, on both sides. And this is slightly angled, so I did fix it before it started drying. The shelf is slightly angled, so ignore that. Alright, so after letting it dry for about 4 hours, I'm going to flip it over on its side carefully to go ahead and add the back. Alright, so now I'm just going to add E6000 around the back of the mirror and down the middle of the already formed nightstand. You'll see that in just a second, how I did that. I'm going to go ahead and lift that up and put a candle right there just to make sure it doesn't fall, and then go ahead and start taping. And after I finish taping it up, I'm just going to let it dry for about 12 hours before continuing to the next step. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the door. So I'm going to measure out 1/2 inch to align the brackets, and then I pretty much just eyeballed the rest. And I'm going to glue that down, and then after I glue it, I'm going to tape it down and let it dry for at least 24 hours. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and add the legs to the nightstand. So before I glue them down, I'm just going to put them on there to kind of get an idea of the exact placement that I want before I actually start gluing. But I'm going to glue down using just the E6000. As you see here, it's glued down. And I'm going to add tape just to ensure it doesn't move. And I'm going to let this dry for at least 24 hours because you don't want to stand it upright and it's not all the way dry. Trust me, I did it, and it's just an annoying process to take the glue off and do it again. So just let it dry for a day. Alright, so to be counterproductive, while the legs are still drying, I would say after 12 hours, you can go ahead and flip it over on its side to add the crystal knob and let that dry for about 12 hours. So the total will still be about 24 hours for the legs to dry too. So in order to keep the door closed, I use magnets. I ordered them from Amazon. I ordered a stronger magnet and also a magnet sheet, because if I were to use 2 of the stronger magnets, it would have left a gap when I tried to close it. So that's the reason why I purchased a magnet sheet as well. But I'll link the information down below. And there you have it. This is the mirrored nightstand. I made 2 of these. I love it. It's so convenient and it's so affordable. It does require a lot of patience, but I feel like it's worth it. The final results are amazing. So yeah, just be sure to like this video if you liked it, comment, subscribe. I definitely do want to start doing more DIY projects. I love doing them. I'm always doing something. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.